Good morning. Today we have come to Santosh Sales for sanitizing their premises using Germ Kavach, treatment and sanitization service which stays for 90 days.
Okay, sir.
Good morning. We are at Santosh Sales. So we are starting the process of Germ Kavach, our sanitization service, which has to be done once in 90 days. So first we are going to do a swab ATP test to check what is the existing contamination level at this premises. I'll first take the samples from their cash counter. I have taken the sample with the use of the swab. We are going to run the test, which will take about 15 seconds to give us the results. The ideal test result should be below 200 to be safe, and between 200 to 500 is contaminated. Above 500 is extremely contaminated. Let's see what results we get. The results we have got is 5,000. So 5,000 is extremely contaminated. We are now going to do our sanitization and check the results again. Thank you. Germ Kavach treatment at this premises today. Before doing the testing results were 5,000 RLU, which means extremely contaminated. Now after doing the treatment, I am going to take the sample again and do the testing to see what is the result coming. As you can see, the RLU is 123. From 5,000 it has come down to 123. It should be below 200. So this premises is extremely safe for anybody, free from any germs, any bacteria, any virus for the next 90 days. Thank you.